against us. There's no peace till we all get a piece of redemption. The streets won't get sleep. So the motherfucking niggas on the ignorant. Now everybody wanna play real nigga shit. If that's what it takes to make a difference, it's about to get real fucking niggerish. Turn around at the bottom of the shop. I need a boy in the room. Let's get him. Scratching up the keys. Thinking of the engagement. I can rise out for help. What death is. Violence is all that is left here. A lot of people think I'm wrong, but if we don't step for something, imagine what next year's. Death toll killers by cop is. Somebody better reckon out the plot quick. Kill a young breed, destroy a new future. Wipe threats out till we fall useless. Knowing that, better get ready for self-preservation. A mind was not fear. Anybody that is weak and dependent on the system, existence is probably not here. And you ain't got a cosign with it. I just made it public so you know I did it. Voice of the people for the people, with no voice for the people in position so you know I'm with it. This is for the mothers of the mowed down children that's victims of the police. Slow down, sugar. This has gotta stop. With every known itch on my heart, next time I see a motherfucking cop. Hands up. Somebody better tell these kids it ain't safe out here in the streets no more. It's a war outside with police, but it ain't about peace no more. Young black males losing their lives, whole city wanna riot. I don't know about y'all, but shit about to get violent. Police keep on tripping and we gon' shut shit down. Motherfuckers gon' turn up missing cause we gon' shut shit down. Keep on taking our children and we gon' shut shit down. So you better listen up. We gon' shut shit down.
I done showed the world. Now we finna wrap it up, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to the mind of a maniac. What part of real you niggas don't understand? Let me talk to y'all for a minute. I keep a gat cause niggas murder. Got a bad habit of purple. In the studio I murk you. I'm coming, man. I swear to God I'm thugging hard. Trill niggas deal with your big glocks off top. We ain't stunned, man. We street niggas, we eat niggas off tracks from Mouse and B. Better be about your page or talk to me. Mind you wonder why your child so bad. Because the fucking body bags and hypnotize my ass is deep. Holding on to this money, man, I gotta get it. Choppers in the Glock 40. Play with me, you get your issue. Wrap your dick up, cause your dick can have the hiccups. You're rich if you marry a bitch. Get a prenup. I ain't got no mind. Welcome to the mind of a maniac. Street nigga. Street nigga. Ain't got no mind. Welcome to